Welcome to our channel. In today's video we will explore beautiful and functional bedroom door design that not only enhance your privacy but also add elegance to your home interior. The bedroom is your personal retreat and the door is the first impression of that private space. A stylish bedroom can completely transform the ambience of your room. So let's dive into different bedroom door style, material, color and modern design trend. Importance of bedroom doors. Bedroom doors are more than just an entry point, they play multiple roles: privacy and comfort. A solid door keeps your space peaceful and secure. Aesthetic appeal. The right design complements your bedroom themes, durability and functionality. A good material ensure long lasting use. Sound insulation help keep the room quiet and cozy. That way, selecting the right bedroom is so important. Popular bedroom door material. Wooden bedroom doors. The most traditional and timeless choice available in solid wood like teak wood, walnut, or engaging wood. Wooden doors bring warmth, elegance, and natural beauty. They can be carved, paneled, or painted according to the interior theme. Glass bedroom doors usually combined with wood or metal frame. Frosted or tinted glass ensure privacy while allowing light inside, perfect for modern, minimalist or luxury bedroom setup. Your bedroom door is not just a functional element but a statement piece that reflects your personality and enhance your room design. Whether you choose a classic wooden panel door, a modern sliding door, or a chic glass design, make sure it match your lifestyle and interior home. So that our complete guide to bedroom door design. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more interior design ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.